surprises. So that's great to see. What isn't great to see is what's going on the radar behind us this morning. So Monday off to a wet start. What's the rest of the day looking like?
Well, we're going to hang on to the rainy conditions through at least the early afternoon, Patrick, but then drying out later in the day. Evening commute looks quieter. But right now, let's take a look at what we are tracking. And that rain's coming down heavy at times now across a good part of Rhode Island. And the heavier rain is pushing east, eventually filling into the rest of southeastern Massachusetts, too. It's about 60 degrees outside. Winds out of the south at 15 miles per hour with the higher gusts. So we're leading our three key things with the rain that we're tracking early today, drying out at the end of the day, cool winds blowing on Tuesday, breezy again, and then Thanksgiving Day. Next decent shot for rainfall, unfortunately, moves in Wednesday night and looks like it may last as long as Thursday night. So some off and on showers, but it does look mild for Thanksgiving. Right now on our live Doppler radar, rain heavy at times. You can see these areas of red, some rumbles of thunder embedded within these downpours too. One area that I'm watching in particular is right along the South County coastline up through North Kingstown, seeing some heavy rainfall, East Greenwich and Block Island with some downpours and gusty winds. If we take a look at that closer view here right along Route 1, or wiper speeds on high, watch for some ponding on the roads. Let's widen out the view and show you the bigger picture here. It's a cold front approaching. Behind that front, some cooler weather out ahead of it, though. We're very warm and breezy for this morning. As far as rainfall totals go, we've already picked up about a half an inch of rain in Smithfield and close to that in Providence and Westerly. Now notice New Bedford and points to the east. Little to no rain in the rain gauge just yet. I do expect us to end up with around an inch of rain with some isolated higher totals by the time this is done. You can see the cool air just to the north and west of us. That's going to be moving in through the day today. So while it's a very warm start, it doesn't last all day. We're in the lower 60s, 8 and 10 o'clock this morning. Noontime in the upper 50s. Showers still ongoing. And then in the second half of the day, it starts off rainy 2 o'clock in the afternoon. The temperatures are cooling 51 at 2, upper 40s by 4 with dry skies back. And at 6 o'clock in the evening, clear, but down to 43 already. So here's that hour by hour forecast. Lunchtime still could be dealing with some heavier downpours in spots, and notice those temperatures again starting to cool as the skies clear out. 2-3 o'clock, we're going to be seeing that rain ending across Rhode Island and eventually into southeastern Massachusetts too. Evening hours looking dry and cool. We'll be in the 30s as the night goes on, with late night lows tonight cooling all the way down to about 32 degrees. So going to be a much cooler start to the day tomorrow compared to this morning. Looking ahead to Thanksgiving, we've got showers in the forecast. Temperatures climbing to the middle and upper 50s in the afternoon. Here's the area of low pressure. It stays to the west of us during the day on Wednesday, but by Wednesday night, those showers start to fill in, and that's what we wake up to. Maybe waking up, put that oven on Thursday morning, and it looks like even when you're cleaning up maybe the dishes, trying to get a movie on in the evening hours, still going to be tracking some of that rain. It does dry out for Friday and the weekend. Temperatures will be seasonable, it looks like, for the second half of the week after a chilly day tomorrow, only in the 40s. Your updated forecast at WPRI.com anytime.